Hello everyone, this is Willie. It's Tuesday, July 31, and I want to walk you through two trades that we have that just triggered. The first one, you're looking at the Euro Australian dollar. In the Asian session, I put a sell stop here at 116.64. You can see that throughout London session, it dropped and then went sideways. So I was looking for a continuation to the downside. So we were up as, like 5 pips here. The stop was 14. I moved it to -9. And the concern I have here is where to take profits. We have a previous day low of 116.51, and with the spread that would only give us about 10 pips. So you've got a choice of taking profits here before London opens, which I'm electing to do, or letting it run and to see if that breaks. All right, so that's the Euro Aussie. The second trade that we had that triggered is the British pound here. The British pound today went up during the Asian session, and then now it's consolidating, trying to go down. I put a sell stop here at 157.07, and we're just going to put our generic stop at 22 pips for now. And I'm looking for this British pound to come down about 20 pips. This is our target, 20 pips. All right, I found like a change of polarity line here at 57.09. Let me show you that by moving to the 1 hour screen. Okay, when you look at the 1 hour screen, doesn't that look like a head and shoulders to you? This being the head and that being the left shoulder, right shoulder. So it's got a lot of potential for a drop, okay? So we're at the early stages of this head and shoulder pattern, and the actual trigger to the downside on that neckline will be a 156.66. You're still about a good 40 more pips away from that. In fact, let's go ahead and put a line where that level might be here. There. So at that break, we will be selling the pound once again. But for now, looking at the 15-minute line, we sold it at 57.07. Okay, so we'll check back in a few minutes or hours to see how our trade progresses. Okay, everyone. Well, the London market has opened, and we got triggered into our third trade of the day, which is the Euro US dollar. Sell stop at 122.64. You can see got triggered, and we're targeting 20 pips here. Our stop will be right on the edge of the box at 22 pips. Okay, and let's see how our trades progressed. We had two open trades here. We first shorted the British pound at 157.07. We collected, you can see just now hit the target of 20 pips, but we took profit at 15 pips. Okay, so this trade is over. Now the second trade that we had open did not work out for us. It started out good. This is the Euro Aussie short at 1664. A couple of times here we're up 5 pips, and then the market just kind of reversed. And you can see that my initial stop was 14. I changed it. I tightened it to -9, and we got hit. And it's a good thing because the -14 would have been hit as well. So this trade is no longer viable. I'd like to see this Euro Aussie cycle up as high as possible, and maybe in the US session or tomorrow start shorting once again. Okay, so we'll check back in a little while to see how our trades go. I also had a setup for the New Zealand. New Zealand dollar had the possible sell stop at 80.91, and you can see that we didn't trigger here. We didn't put it in because we were still in the pound and Euro Aussie at the time. This trade would have made 10 pips. So we'll check back there in a little while to see how our trades go. Okay, guys, we just limited out on this Euro dollar. Initially the target was 20, then I made it 15, and I think we closed at about 12.5. So it's going to be a positive day. 2 winning trades and 1 downer, which is see this one here. This is the only losing trade today was the Euro Aussie. We shorted at 64. Now it's back to 63. But anyway, it's all right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow unless you have any questions.